So this question comes from the Unit 1 review. It's number 7, and it says to sketch the region that's bounded by the graphs of y equals 4 minus x squared, that's the parabola, x equals 0, which is the y-axis, and y equals 0, which is the x-axis. And then determine the volume when the region is revolved about the line y equals -3. And it wants an exact answer. So what I did here is I sketched out the three boundaries here. And so what we are looking at precisely is this piece right here. So right here. So let's highlight it. And we are going to revolve it around y equals -3. So this is y equals -3 right here. So we're going to be revolving this around. So this here, the way to look at this probably best would be with the washer method. And so when we revolve this around, you're going to have an outside radius and an inside radius. And so the washer method looks like this. And you can call it big R squared minus little r squared dx, or you can call it the top function squared minus the bottom function squared. Either way works. So what we're talking about as the bottom function here would be the smaller radius. So here, so that would be, you could say this is -3 or 3. It wouldn't matter because if you square it, it's going to be 9. And then we'll pull that pi out front. We're looking at the from 0 to 2. So my A and B is 2. And then I'll pull the pi out front. I already said that. And then f of x squared, well, that is going to be the outside radius. So that is going to be, let's see here. It's that distance from here to here. So we've got 4 minus x squared. So we've got 4 minus x squared here. And then we got 3 units here. So we're going to say that this would be 7 minus squared. And so when we FOIL that out, we're going to end up with 49 minus 14x squared plus x squared, or I'm sorry, x to the 4th plus 9. Minus 7. Sorry, there's a minus sign here. So now let's see, let's take that and let's first, I've got x to the 4th minus 14x squared, and then these combine to give me plus 40. And then when I integrate this, I'm going to get x to the 5th over 5 minus 14x cubed over 3 plus 40x. And that is, I'm integrating from 0 to 2. So putting in 2 here, I'm going to get 32 over 5 minus 14 times 8 over 3 plus a 40 times 2. And then minus 0, because this will all be 0. So we don't even have to include that part. And so let's combine, because we want an exact value, let's get our common denominator, which would be 15. And so changing this to a common denominator of 15, the numerator would be 96. 14 times 8, and then we'll have to multiply that by 5 to get a common denominator. That's 560. And then plus 80 times 15, or 1200. And when I take those and add those together, our numerators, I'm going to get 736 over 15, and that's times pi. So this is the exact value, and that is the answer to the Unit 1, number 7 question.